Tired of automation deployment headaches? Let's dive straight into running N8n on Docker for a streamlined, reliable experience. First, you'll need Docker Desktop installed on your machine. If you don't have it already, head over to Docker's website and follow their installation guide for your operating system. It's a straightforward process, I promise. Next, we'll create a Docker composable file. This file defines how our N8n instance will be set up and configured within Docker. Open your favorite text editor and paste in the necessary configuration. You can find this configuration in the description below. Make sure to adjust the environment variables, especially the N8n_host, N8n_port, and database credentials to fit your specific needs. Once your Docker composable file is ready, navigate to the directory containing the file in your terminal or command prompt. Then run the command docker compose upd. The D flag tells Docker to run the containers in detached mode, meaning they'll run in the background. Docker will now download the necessary N8n image and start the containers. Once the process completes, open your web browser and navigate to the address you specify in your N8n_host and N8n_port variables. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the N8n interface. Congratulations, you've successfully deployed N8n using Docker. Now you can start building your automation workflows with confidence, knowing that N8n is running in a consistent and isolated environment. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more automation tips and tricks. Happy automating!